Chapter 17. Measurement. Let's know we need to measure a lot of things in our day-to-day life. We measure length, distance, weight, time, etc. Some common measurement that we see around us are: a vegetable vendor weighs the vegetables which one buys. A tailor stitches our clothes according to our measurement. A cloth merchant measures the length of each piece of cloth which we buy. Measurement. Measurement is a system to measure the height, weight, capacity, etc. It is done by comparing an unknown quantity with a known quantity. This known quantity is called the standard unit. In this chapter, we will study about the measurement of length, mass, and time. Measurement of length. Length tells us how long or how tall a thing is. Earlier, people used their body parts to measure length. Hand span, cubit, and foot span are some units used at that time. But these are non-standard units, and the measurement done using body parts varies from person to person. For example, the length measured using your foot span will be different from your father's foot span. Nowadays, standard units are used to measure length. The standard unit of length is measurement. Smaller lengths are measured in centimeters, cm, or millimeters. Larger lengths are measured in kilometers. Length is measured by using ruler, meter rod, or measuring tape. The units of length are related to one another. 10 millimeters equal 1 centimeter, 100 centimeters equal 1 meter, 1000 meters equal 1 kilometer. Precautions to be taken while using a ruler. 1. Ruler should be placed very close to the object along its length. 2. Eye should be kept exactly above the point where the measurement is to be taken. 3. Avoid taking readings from the zero mark of the ruler if its edges are broken. Measurement of mass. Mass is the measurement of how heavy or light a thing is. Different things have different masses. Mass is measured in terms of the weight of the things. Weight of lighter things is measured in gram g or milligram in g. Weight of heavier things is measured in kilograms. Weight is measured by using a beam balance or an electronic balance. Units of mass are related to one another. 100 milligrams equal 1 gram. 1000 grams equal 1 kilogram. Measurement of time. Time is the measure of the interval between two events. Time is measured in units called seconds, second, minutes, min, and hours. Watches and clocks are used to measure time. Units of time are related to one another as 60 seconds equal 1 minute. 60 minutes equal 1 hour. How to see time in an analog clock. 1. Look at the numbers on the clock face. 2. Locate the shorter hand which tells you the hour. 3. Locate the longer hand which tells you the minutes. 4. Now, read the time. Digital clock. A digital clock is an alternative to a traditional analog clock. This type of clock shows numbers to display the time in a digital format. Key terms. Hand span, the maximum distance between the tips of the thumb and the little finger. Cubit, distance from the elbow to the tip of the middle finger. Foot span, the distance between the tip of the toe and the heel of the foot. Wrap up key points of the chapter. We measure a lot of things in our day-to-day life. Measurement is the comparison of an unknown quantity with a known quantity. A unit is the smallest quantity of something that can be measured. Length is measured in units called kilometers, meters, or centimeters. Mass is the measure of how heavy or light an object is. Units of mass are kilograms, grams, and milligrams. Time is the measure of the interval between two events. Units of time are hours, minutes, or seconds.